Yes, recorded now.
Okay. Hi.
Hello.
Next problem today. Anyway, we'll start now because we're losing time.
Yes.
Okay, Adam, same. Okay, wait, you cannot see my screen.
Yes, I'm sure you're sure in screen.
You can see my screen.
Not screen, and I'm showing your face.
Okay, now you can see it.
Yes, yeah, you're screen sharing now.
Okay, Adam, same as before. There's a new family, AG. Okay,
Okay.
we'll start it.
A.
A,
Egg.
and this one.
G.
Okay, what's the sound of G?
G. G.
Ga.
G.
Ga. And A? Together. Ag. Ag.
Ag.
Ag.
Ag.
Yes, ag. Ag. Again?
Ag.
Yeah, okay, very good. Now, we will put another letter to complete the word. Okay, this is again what word?
Ag.
Ag. So, with letter B,
Bag.
bag. Next, with letter T,
Tag.
tag. Very good. Next, with
Mag.
letter F, again,
Mag.
nag. Very good.
Gag.
Gag. Oh, easy for you now.
Rug.
Rag. Easy. Okay. Read this again.
Ug.
Okay. All.
Ug.
لا.
Gag.
Then,
Meg.
okay.
Reg.
Last.
Rug.
لا دي.
Bag.
Okay. So we are done with this one.
We lost
Oh,
time
we
today,
start.
but I think it's okay today.
Easy for him now,
Yes.
you know. But we will go back to something next time. The baby boo, so he can read more.
Good.
Asan our objective is for him to read.
Elephant.
Okay.
Elephant.
Now we will start with letter E.
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 Elephant.
Adam, we finished with A. So now we start with letter E.
يا شيخ
Okay? Adam, shub Hana. Now letter E. What is the sound of E? Okay. What is the sound of
Egg.
D.
letter D?
D. D.
Da. So combine again. Ed. Again. You do it. Ed.
Ed.
Okay, Ed. Very good. So we will put another letter to complete the word. Okay? E and D. What's the sound?
Ed.
Ed. With B?
Bed.
Okay, next.
Red.
Okay, next.
Neg.
لا.
What's the sound of W?
Wet.
Again?
Wet.
Wet. Very good. The sound of F?
Bad.
Okay, no. Again?
Bad.
Again?
Fat.
What is the sound of this one? This
Ed.
Ed. With W?
Wed.
And with F?
Fat.
Fed. Okay, very good. Now, what is the sound of again?
Z.
Okay, Z. Easy for you now. Okay. Okay, this one you can read.
Fe.
Nah, this one.
E. Ch. N.
Let him do it. Okay, let him do it. No coaching.
In.
What is the sound of N? Yeah.
N.
What is this for? What is this? END, what's the sound?
Nad.
Ned. Okay, very good.
Sand. Sad.
Okay.
Dad. Dad.
With S.
Dad.
Ted's. With S. Ted's bowl. What?
Rod.
Again?
Rod.
Again?
Red.
Red. Okay. Easy for you now. Now, another one.
Egg.
Again, E.
Egg.
Egg. Okay, egg. Now, E and G. What is the sound?
Egg.
Egg. With P?
Leg.
Peg. Okay.
Leg.
Leg. Okay.
Bag.
Again.
Bag.
Bag. Okay. Next.
Gag.
Okay. Easy. This one.
N.
N. Okay. This is N. Okay. Before you learn,
N.
this is N. And what is this?
Nan.
Now this one.
N.
Again.
An.
What is the sound of A? With N.
On.
What?
On.
Again?
On.
Adam, always think what is the sound of the first letter. An is different from N. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. What is this?
N.
This one.
N.
What is this word?
N.
What is the sound of A? And then with N, what is this word? Okay, what is this?
On.
An. And this?
N.
Okay, very good. So different, Adam, huh? This is an and this is in. Look at my mouth. Look at my mouth. Adam, no need to pull. No need to pull, okay? This is an, in. An, in. This is an. See? I open my mouth. An. This one, in.
N.
Okay? So, this word, okay, what is this?
A. In.
Again?
In.
Again, what is the sound of letter E?
N.
Okay, N. Okay? Now this one, N.
N. Then.
Then.
Hen.
Okay.
Hen. Hen.
This one,
N.
what is this? Again, N.
Man.
So,
Man.
again, this one, man. Okay? This,
Man. Man.
again,
Man.
what is the sound of P?
Pen.
Okay, pen.
Tan.
Again,
Tan.
pen. Okay. Oh my God, easy for you now. Last. Okay. This one.
In. In.
What is the sound of T?
In.
What is the sound of T? Ha. Okay. What is the sound of E? Okay. Together, combine.
In. And then.
T. Again. Kullo. Kullo. E and T together. Okay, listen to me, ha? E, T, ta. Et,
Ed.
et. Again, et. Okay, now, what is this again?
Ed.
Okay,
Jet.
okay.
Bat.
Oh, again.
Bat. Ed. Bat.
Okay, very good.
Met.
Okay, good.
Let.
Okay.
And. Net.
Read it. Net. Okay.
Band. Band. And.
Again.
In. And.
Again. Et.
Band.
Again.
Band.
Mappy. Again, wrong. What is this word?
Et.
Et. With now, what is the sound of N?
And.
What is the sound of N?
Not.
Again.
And.
Again. Adam, mappy mushkila. Okay? You think, what is the sound of N? Na. And what is this word?
And. Et.
N. Okay? Now with N, what is the sound of N?
Net.
Yes, very good. See? Easy. You think. Okay? Very good. Very good. This one.
Band.
Again. What is this word? What is this? Et. Now what is the sound of P?
Pot.
Pa. Now read it.
Pot.
E.
Pot.
Not P. You say pot. You say pot. You say pot. This is pot. This is pot. P-A-T. Pot. This is pot. But I'm showing you different word. What is the word? What is this?
Pot.
What is this word?
E.
What is this word?
Et.
Et. Now what is the sound of P? Tell me. You can do it.
Pot.
No. You say again pot.
Pet.
See? Yes, pet. Because et, shuk ana. Et, I add letter P, pa, pet. This is pet. Look, pet. But you say pot. Pot. Because pot is A. Pot. But this word is pet. Pet. E. Pet. Pet. Again.
Pet.
What is this? What is this?
Egg.
Oh, and then?
Pet.
Okay, pet.
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 Van. Van.
Again?
Van.
No. You say vat. This is vat.
Vat. Vat.
See, Adam, you say vat. This is vat. This is A, not E. But this one in the picture, E. So, this is wrong. Put E here. What is the word?
Vet.
Vet. Very good. Adam, Habibi, think. Mapi Surasura, think, okay? Think. And Tafimu, think. No, wrong. You think, okay, Mia? Understand?
Yes.
Okay, yes. Next.
Wet.
Wet, very good. Okay, next.
Egg.
Again, think.
Egg.
What is this?
Egg.
At.
Egg.
And this one?
Cake.
Get, very good. Sure, get. Sure?
Get.
Okay, get. Very good. Correct. Adam, now all you will tell me all, okay? Good. Where is it? Adam? Okay, now all. Okay. Adam, now this is your test. Okay? Use your mind. Habibi, look at me. Use your mind. Okay? Mapi surasura. Think. Okay? Mapi surasura. What is this?
Egg.
Again?
Egg.
No. Think.
M-A-G.
Okay.
Mag.
Very good. Very good. Next.
Jet.
Again.
Jet.
Jet. Very good.
Bed.
Bed. Very good. Next.
Leg.
Leg. Okay.
Den.
Okay. Next.
Bed.
Okay. Next.
Bed.
Okay. This one.
Man.
Okay. This one.
Net.
Okay. This one.
Get. Get.
Okay. This.
Bad.
Okay. This one.
Good.
Again.
Learn.
Correct. Left.
Let.
Okay. Next.
N.
Again. Habibi.
N.
Okay. This one.
Bag.
Okay, this one.
N.
Again,
N.
again,
N.
again,
N.
again,
N.
again. What is these two letters?
Net.
Net. Very good. This one.
That.
Okay, this one.
That.
Okay,
Get.
again.
Tag.
Tag. Very good. This one.
Bag.
Again.
Bag.
Peg. Okay, this one.
Cat.
Again.
Cat.
Okay, this.
Pen.
Okay.
Van. That.
This one.
That.
Okay.
Van.
Again.
Fed.
Fed. Okay. This one.
Gen.
Okay. This one.
Wed.
Okay.
Head.
Okay.
Again.
Again.
Get.
Get. Okay.
Rod.
Again.
Red.
Red. Kalas. Mia Mia. Mrs. Hassan,
Yes,
are you happy?
yes, I am happy.
Now he knows how to read little. Now we will teach him more. But this one, I will give you this one to you. So you can teach him every day. This is most important. Okay?
Okay.
Adam, now we will start. Look. Ja.
Ja.
No, not this one. Where is it?
Let's go.
Where is it? This one. Okay, Adam, look. Too many words. Okay? Look. Miss Hassan, listen also to me.
Okay.
Okay? Adam, read.
P.
One by one. This one?
P. F.
No. Read now.
P.
Mafi. Only two. See? What is this word?
P.
Okay. What? Adam, listen. Listen to me. Adam, eto si Ana. Hello. Hi, Adam. Okay. Look. This is B-A. Ba. B-A. Ba. Sound of B. Ba. Sound of A. Ba. Okay. This one. B-E. Be. B-B. Okay. Ba. Be. Bi. Bo. Bu. Okay. Again.
P.
Baby.
P.
Again.
A. B. P. A.
Adam, look. Look at me. This is, what is this word? Letters?
A. E. I.
No.
O.
Tell me. Kullu hada esh?
Vowels.
Vowels. Hada sound? A, E, I, O, is this?
A, E, I, O, U.
Okay, sound.
Ah, I,
Shwaya, Habibi. Habibi.
Ah.
Okay, slowly.
ah, U.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
U.
Okay? Okay? So now, Adam, this one is A, E, O, U. Now we will put another letter. Ba. Because A. Ba. Be. B. Bo. Bu. Sa. Understand? You understand?
Okay.
Okay. Now, read this word one by one. I'm not asking you what letter, okay? Miss Hassan. Miss Hassan.
Baba.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. This one, we are going back to, we will go back a little. Hassan, we will go back a little. This is the principle of reading. So this one, so that Adam can be more, what do you call this? He can read more with this. This is the foundation of these letters or these words is the vowel sign, the vowel word. A, E, I, O, U. Sa?
Yes.
Listening, Hassan?
Ba. Yeah.
B,
Ba.
I, Bu,
B.
Bu.
So this one now we will make, because there is B, so the sound of B is ba. So with A, ba. Okay, B with E, be. Because E, be. With sound of B, be. Now with I, E.
E.
Okay, with B, B. Okay, with O, O. With B, bo. Okay, B, B. With U, U. So now ba, be, B, bo, bu. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now next, what is the sound of C? Ka. Ka.
Ka.
Not ke. This is ka. Ke, ki, ko, ku. You understand now?
Yes.
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 You understand my point?
Understand. Yes.
Okay, because this is the basic. I'm teaching you the basic now.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
I told you. I just want to make you happy now. What do you call this? Adam can read, for example, 1 to 10. He can read now 4. Range of 4. Now we go back to basic. So he can read more.
Good.
Okay?
Good.
So now, as I'm telling you, the basis of this alphabet sounds with the vowel is the A, E, I, O, U. You are not there when I'm explaining it. Again, I will explain so you can explain to him in Arabic, okay?
يخرب حاجة هناك. بجد بقى بإيدي بيتنام.
See? Hassan knows that this is the vowels.
Yes.
This is the vowel letters, okay? The sound of A is A, E, I, O, U. Okay?
Yes.
This is now the basic. The basic, okay? Now we're going to put in the basic the alphabet letters.
Focus about another letter with another.
A, B, B. Why it sounds like that? Because we are doing the sound of the vowels with the alphabets. Okay? The consonants. Ba, be, bi, bo, bu. Okay, look at the picture now. We will, okay, I'll give you another one. How will you read this one, Hassan?
Fa. Sha.
Okay, this one,
Fa.
fa, fe, fi, fo,
Fo.
fu. Because we are using the vowel sound. You understand now?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now this one, how you will read?
Ga. Gi.
Gi.
Ga. Go. Ga.
Gu.
Ga, ge, because is. Hassan, is.
I.
Remember the vowel sound.
E sound.
Ga, ge, gi, go,
Go.
gu. You understand?
Yes.
Mm.
Yes.
Okay. That is one. Ha,
Ha.
he.
He.
Look at my lips. Because I'm doing the vowel sound. I'm adding
Eh.
the consonant letters. Ha, he, go, hu. You understand?
Yes. Yes.
This is too many. Because this is the basic. Again.
هذا مشوي.
Huh?
هذا مشوي.
Give me 1 minute please Nicholas. دي كده كل الحروف
Okay.
vowels A E I O U. اوكي دي كل حروف الفاولز. اوكي التأثير
The
بتاعها
sound. What is the sound?
الحرف الأولاني بيتنطق ازاي مع الايه با با بي
Bi.
بي
Bi.
بو
Bo.
با
Ba.
Boo.
بو
Boo because boo. 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 Ba, be. Look at my lips. Ba, be, bi, bo, boo.
Bu.
Okay, I will go do the vowels. A, E, I, O, U.
again Muslim Nicholas again.
Okay? Again, Hassan.
Yes
هو مش مستوعب الحتة دي.
I will remove this one so he will understand. Okay?
ويلا.
1 minute.
أول واحدة إيه؟
Okay? Listen. Adam. Hello?
Hi.
Okay. The sounds of the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Okay? Now, we will add the consonant letters. The consonant letters are those letters that are not included in the vowel letters. Like B, C, D, F, G, H. Okay, now we will add the vowel to the consonant letters. Like ba. The B, which is sound ba with A, say it will be say as ba. Okay, now the B, ba, be, because E, be, Adam, hello, Adam. Okay, ba, because of A, ba, okay, be, okay, B, bo, boo. Understand? Understand? We try again, Adam. What is this?
Pe.
A. What is the sound of A?
Ah.
Oh. So now together.
اقرا الحرفين مع بعض.
Ba.
Ba. Okay, this.
Be.
Okay, this.
Bi.
Okay, this.
Bo.
Okay, this.
Bu.
Very good. Okay, now this one. What is the sound of C?
Ke.
What is the sound of C?
Ka.
Okay. Now this one.
Ke.
Okay, this.
Ke.
What is this? Sound of I and C?
Gi.
Again.
Gi.
Okay, this. You said who? It's you. What is O?
Go.
Ko. And this?
Bu.
Very good. Now try again. A new one. This? Okay.
Do.
Okay, this.
D.
Oh, with E, you said D, I. You use I, not E. Use E. What is this?
D.
De. Okay?
D.
Okay?
D.
Okay?
Do.
Okay. Now you understand? Eta malum?
Okay.
Simple, okay? Okay, we start again. What is this? Tell me loud, okay? Louder.
Okay.
Big voice. All. Read.
Pa. P. 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 Po. Poo.
Okay, next.
Ka. K.
Okay.
Ki.
Okay.
O.
Okay.
Ku. Ku.
Okay. This one.
Da.
Okay.
D.
You use I.
D. D.
De. Okay.
D.
Okay.
Do.
Okay.
Do.
Okay. Now, you know this one, okay? I will give you tough. I will give you now exercise for this. Remember the sound of the vowel, Adam, okay? Okay. What is this? Wait, okay?
Ja. Ja. J.
لا.
K.
You use K. That's E. Key. Very good.
Do.
Okay, very good. This.
Ja. K. K.
K.
Ha.
Hmm.
Ha. He.
He. Okay.
C. C.
ما يقدرش أول مرة يسمعها يا جماعة.
C.
This is A.
C. C. Sa.
Sa. Okay, very good. Sa.
Va. V.
This is E.
V.
This is I. You said I. Not. What is this?
V.
Okay. Adam, Habibi. Mapi sura-sura. Think. Habibi, think. Okay? Think. Very good. Okay, next.
Do.
Okay, this one.
Re. Re.
Again.
Re.
Again.
Re.
Re. Okay.
We. We.
We. Okay.
You.
Okay. Don't coaching. Don't. I'm hearing coaching. Miss Hasan, don't tell anything. Okay.
Ba.
Okay.
Si.
Okay.
We.
No.
We.
He.
Se. X. X is se. Okay. Se.
Si. Se.
Se. V-E. Se. Okay.
Na. Pe.
Okay. Very good.
Do. We. We. When. Had. Na.
Na.
Ke. Ke. Lu. Lu.
Lu. Lu. Okay? Hassan, I will give you this. Okay?
Yes.
This is for training every day. This is for training. Okay? But he need this one first to memorize. I'm not giving this one because it's patented, you know. He will use pattern. He did not see ba baby bobu kakeki koku sasesi sosu. You understand?
Yes, I understand.
It's like cheating, you know. It's like cheating. He will cheat. He will cheat on that.
Could be mixed between letter.
That's why I make the another one which is mixing. Okay? This one you can print and then you can make like this. What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? You
Yes.
understand? Because here I cannot do it to him because we are not facing each other.
I will print it from tomorrow and I will make like a board in room.
Yes.
Make sure.
Yes. Yes. Okay?
Okay.
No, I will make it for you. I will make it for you in A4, 4 letters, and you can cut it. You have cutter,
Yes, I know. With me, Qatar. Yes.
and then you put on the board. Okay, you make like Miss Hassan. After you know, the best way to teach the child really is when they wake up,
Okay.
because when they wake up, the mind is fresh. You can put anything there. Let him eat. Let him sing, and then just play. Oh, Adam, you have flashcard. Adam, what is this?
What time
Oh,
for best wake up?
again?
What time for best time for wake up for him?
Because you told me he's waking up 12, sa? Because he is young boy. It's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. You know why? Because he's not going school. He's not going school, Hassan.
Okay.
If he is going school, and if he is going school, definitely in his age, only 3 to 4 hours in the school, not more than that, because he will get bored.
Okay.
So I will give you these two and just train him. And then tomorrow, we will start the family letters again with I.
Well, my
Letter
wife from he wake up, she make too much review with him about the last lesson. Yes.
Very good. It's good.
I think it's he coming with you.
Because, you know, I'm planning next week because I want to finish the family. I'm telling you, I want to finish the family words with the vowels.
Good.
After that, we will teach him the, what do you call this? The dot, the de, da, this, there, where, what, is, are, was. Okay, this is more advanced.
Grammar.
Okay, because if he know this one, the next thing is he can read very well. After we finish that, he can read very well. But the problem, he can read very well, but he did not understand what he is reading. You understand?
Yes.
So after he learned the reading, I will teach him the comprehension. Reading with comprehension. Understand?
But I need to inform you something. Sometimes should be give him word beside the photo to get meaning.
Yes. Listen to me.
This not
No, it's good. It's good. It's good, really. That's why I'm starting with this. the basic, the vowels. After that, we will use now the pictures.
So
After this, we
follow.
will use the pictures
Yes.
like that is a ball. But I'm not there to tell him, Adam, what is that? He can say to me, he can point his finger, teacher, that is a ball. You understand?
Yes.
Okay, like example, Adam, what? So what meaning is sa in Arabic. What is the color of the ball? He can point again. The color of the ball is blue. You understand? Okay, like for example, Adam, where is the ball? He can say now, the ball is there on top of the table. He can use now there. You got my point?
Yes.
Yeah.
I understand what meaning now. What you mean?
Yeah. Because now I'm telling you, after all this basic, you should learn first the basic, Hassan. After learning the basic, I assure you he can read. But the problem, he can read, but he cannot understand.
I hope read and understand.
That's why.
I hope like this.
That's why the book. That's why we have book reading with comprehension. If you see the story, I will give you an example. For example, you will see in the children's book reading. In reading, like I am a ball. I am a red ball bouncing on the ground. My name is Red Ball. Okay? You understand? It's all now in the short story. At the end of a story, there is a question. What is the color of the ball? Now Adam will look in the story. The color of the ball is red. He will put now red. So meaning he understand, oh, what is the color of the ball? Red. So there is reading with comprehension. You understand?
Yes, understand.
Yes.
I make
Not like that, because it's we are only 15 days, 16. How many days are we? See?
Now we are arrived 15, like this. 15.
Yeah, almost 15 days, and we have result. Are you happy with the result?
Yes, I am. It's good. It's good for him.
Yeah. But for me, you know, in the first 4 days, for you, if you feel frustrated, I am more. I am more because I am the teacher. You just listen there. But for me, I am thinking what I'll do, what I need to do to open his mind. Now you see Adam, he is thinking, because that's critical thinking.
Yes.
Now he is thinking, this is the correct, I know. He is, he is thinking, and that's a good sign. You understand?
Understand.
Adam, you understand me?
No.
Anyway, I will give you these two. Tomorrow, the agenda, the objective is another family letters. Okay?
Okay.
But you continue this. This is the assignment of Adam. The ba baby bobu, the kakeki koku. Okay? And then, by next week, inshallah, reading.
Okay.
Okay? I will send to your email, huh? Bye-bye, Adam.
Bye-bye.
You happy? Are you happy, Adam?
We are happy. Also happy.
Hi. What's the name of this baby?
Omar.
Omar. Okay. Yalla, bye-bye. I don't know how to click again.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
The